Welcome back to the train channel. We got a very short grain hopper train. This is the same grain hopper train I got over here about 2 videos ago. Let's check it out. They're not supposed to be thrown over by the railroad tracks. Whatever it's thrown, not supposed to be belong by the railroad tracks. That's not garbage. That's not a garbage can. That's a railroad track. Must be getting ready to put the pipes away. That's good because I can't see good trains over them pipes. Wait until they pass that grain hopper. This is the same hopper, right? Yep, this is the same hopper I just got when they leave the WLs. Yep. Now it's gonna be all but empty pipe stuff over there. Get the stuff loaded up. Probably get some more truckloads here pretty soon. Coming up. So, all right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train, probably the light power train on the freight side. Talk to you later.